the first people to kind of come and join us under the roof were the Center for Irish Music and O'Shea Irish Dance. We've been able, with the outreach program, to collaborate with them, to take our programming with them to schools. One of the greatest things we did was a school outreach program. And we've connected with different elementary schools around the area to bring in a cultural experience to all these children together, including the library. So we brought in dance, we brought in music, we brought in language, we brought in the idea of folk tales and stories. And it was incredible to have these kids ask about the Irish language and see the steps. And we were able to start a dialogue with them, because a lot of these children are actually from immigrant communities as well, to say, you know, what is your language? What is your background? What do you know about this beautiful culture? And then tell us a little bit about yours.